Boom, DJ DreadBeard.
You see big house and think of me, but I'm a son them. 2 mil budget and my bank account no budget.
DJ DreadBeard. Subscribe now.
Yo, so Vybz Kartel drop a brand new music video named Hype Life. And him a make you know him bank account digits. Him a make you know how him jump out of prison, jump in at the embassy, jump Ghana US. Him a make you know a bag of things. You see me? Yo, and countless a time on the channel, yeah. You know that here me tell you say, me love them kind of song ya from Vybz Kartel. Even though him tell you say him not do no more war song. As long as him a give a song like them, yeah. Sometimes I enjoy them song more than the bad man song. Me I tell you know why. But before we go no further, let me introduce myself to the brand new viewers and the brand new subscribers. I am DJ DreadBeard, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. May I beg you to like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. And again, for the new viewers, this is not a review or a music breakdown channel. This is more like a reasoning channel where we just reason about any topic. So we are going to just reason about the music video, the lyrics them in it, you see me? So if you don't want to hear more reasoning, at least watch 2 of the last video when we drop them still fresh, them barely a day old. Don't worry, me soon get to the controversial title when me say Vybz Kartel son them richer than Masicka. Cause remember you know rich in the US. So the reason why I say me love them song ya, even more than the gun song them sometime, even sometime more than the bad man song, because Vybz Kartel would have forward out and say him not do no more gun song. And well people say, yo, Vybz Kartel shouldn't even say that out loud, you know. Him should have just make the people them figure that out for themselves. And you see me? So people don't really like so Vybz Kartel say that, and me say this countless of times, and me love them song ya more. Me love the song them where like him a true word in it, and them song there, the lyrics them in it, them always stick out. Even when the views them for the song them not really that great, the words them when him say in a them song there, it stick out. What me mean? Song like all Comet is coming, when him just do what here. Them career cut short like Nicki Minnie. Him say them things they night, them things that burn you know. Them things that burn the haters you know. Them kind of song are like flossing / true word / shading. You see me? Stun pan the enemy, stun pan the haters. When him say yo, them career cut short like Nicki Minnie. Him say that in a Comet is coming. You see in a Kremlin, him say me and the tool alone and lock the road. Who borrow my style for no? Still I go run the place all when me 50. What a caliber. Them lyrics them I love bro. When him say yo, if me no shit them can't yam. Them song they an a war song you know. You see the song where him I don't know when him Hype Life are the same kind of song them like Comet is coming on. You see me? Me no know when but and not today and not tomorrow. Him no know when. Him a go stop run the place. When him say yo, any other king, a Burger King. Check the views pan them song there. I think of the song where him do for Usain Bolt. You see me? He's immortal now. In the song there, him say, any other king, a Burger King. Check the views pan the song, the verses, coloring this life and the song with the pan top of him Spotify. None of them song are the pan top of him Spotify, but the lyrics, the words, them when him say in it stick out. Let me go on a perfect example. Him have a song when name White House. I doubt if it reach 1 million views yet. The man say, when me lay down, nobody no above me. So when you get the drift now, yeah, me love them song more than the war song sometime. Them song are some of my favorite song. You see me? Them kind of song. So when you get the drift. So we are going to hear some of the lyrics them when I'm saying at this. See if none of them are going to stand out. See if no lyrics in this are going to stand out like when him say career cut short and me are going to run the place out with me 50, what a caliber. So we are run through this, you see me?
Chop top, me escape from prison like Chapo. Money off it pop up. Big G-Wagon all girl no so cock up.
Yeah man, so big up Drop Top. A Drop Top produce it, you see me? You know the lyrics that when say, they give me 35 years and me give them back that quick. So Vybz Kartel love them kind of lyrics that when I say him escape out of prison like Chapo. You see me? Money off it top up. So he might tell her how him G-Wagon well set up. Not even the hot girl them in the video, so cock up.
Guappy jeans and no pack up. Pussy them woulda still want see me lock up.
Yeah man, so I make you know say a Guappy jeans and no pack up. Remember say him and Guappy have a collaboration. So I'm own brand him a wear, I'm own clothes him a wear. You see me? And no pack up jeans. You see me? A Guappy jeans. And him a make you know say yo, all of them DJ boy, not only Masicka, only for them DJ boy in the quiet, in the background. Well, want to see him still lock up.
Opa embassy the Monday, tell them send me them out the fees, I not run yet. Then me fly out in the Sunday.
Yeah man, see him mix the lyrics with the true story with the art, you know. So him say, yo, him go up a embassy the Monday. Him run him dirty money. So him a wonder how the visa no run yet. And then him fly out the next Sunday.
The whole industry nervous like a slave when him a runway. When me live, you can't come there. You see big house and think of me, but I'm a son them.
Yeah, man, see it I get to my favorite part, yeah. The title of the video. So anyway, him say, yo, when him get him visa, the whole industry get nervous like a runaway slave. Cause remember, everybody did things that this man I go just there Jamaica and in the Caribbean. Every night him there Mecca. You see me, people are gonna get tired of him and steal out like what them did I say. You see me? So when them see him get the visa, them a say, Bumbo clot. Me bumbo clot.
Me bumbo clot.
Everybody get nervous because them know say arena time now. Stadium time. Well, I don't think them did know that cause them always underestimate Vybz Kartel. But see it a reach to my favorite part, you know, still. So him say, yo, when you see the house and the car, the big house and the big car, them, you think of him one? No, all along I'm son them things. You don't know which part him live. So I make you know, say, all of them house they want to see him with, one house over the other side of the lake and, you see me, one will leave a car and something until car can't fit in the garage and them things. There. I make you know, say, yo, I'm a son them things me have last man, and still don't know which part me live man. Because rumor as it you know say he might go buy one super mansion, you know, because if I think about it, the whole of them car they can't hold in the house them. You know say out the door some car asleep. Too much car right now. The three house them, the garage them full up and occupied. So he might get one of them super mansion the way a garage can hold the whole of them car them, the whole fleet of car them and car where him a plan for buy. Him have the hangar for the private jet and the fleets of car and the super cars and you see me, so him a plan for build one of them mansion there. So all of them also wanna see over Florida. I'm daughter, I'm son and him mother. You see me, I fit them place that. So all along when I say, yo, Vybz Kartel rich, look how much house him have, look how much car him have. No, I'm son them, so what that means say him richer than Masicka. That is where me get the controversial title from. So the house and the car wanna see, people would have used that for say, yo, him richer than Masicka. But I don't feel them, I'm son them, so that means I'm son them richer than Masicka. You see me? Rich in the US, real rich. And people, come on, miss me with that Masicka 8 bullshit, bro. And Masicka say him rich in the US. Me wouldn't use Masicka name or a troll Masicka in the review ya or in the vlog ya. But him out here I say them things so we have to just tie it in and laugh off him and them things. You see me?
2 mil budget and my bank account no budget. Me a live off a $50 million budget.
2 million budget and my bank account no budget. Me a live off a 50 million US dollars, you know. 50 million US dollars budget. So that for the people who love run go up on Google and type in Vybz Kartel network versus this artist and network. And then say, yo, Vybz Kartel a 1 million US dollar network. Some of you don't understand what that mean, but that for one vlog, probably for one next time. You see me? Today is not a teaching day. Today are just some lyrics there and reads about the lyrics. But yeah, man, the budget where this man a work off for the things that what this man a do in a tax bracket. Him telling you that in our next tune from what year? Different tax bracket from Masicka. Was say him rich in the US. Again, me not a pick for Masicka, but him say him rich in the US. You see me?
Them a pray for me fall, me a pray for me rise. That means that the whole of we a pray for me life.
Them a pray for me fall, while me a pray for me rise. That means that the whole of we a pray for me life. What day when Vybz Kartel get nominated for the Grammy, I force some people a pray, you know. I force some people a go down on all them knee and pray say, yo, the man no win the Grammy. I think Vybz Kartel said this already. So this is where I come from. Why you would take your money go a Obia man for hurt somebody? Why you never go to the Obia man and better yourself so you can go a foreign? Why you pray for somebody don't get the visa? Why you not pray for you get the visa? Him say them things already, you know, think up an interview or upon live, you know. So at the same thought process there and at the same line of reasoning there, the lyrics they come from, you see me?
It why it bun them, that I'm at the pussy them. Me a go cap a jet, cut the wings and drive it. Hype life this. Yo, the second song this since Vybz Kartel out of prison, you know. Where I'm a predict or I'm a foreshadow buying a private jet, you know. Me talk about it about 11 days ago. Me I go drop the link in the description where this song when name Rich Again, where I say TSA Black Traffic private jet bigger tax bracket, the same bigger tax bracket song there. Him talk about private jet in a that. And in a this, he must say, yo, private jet broke off the wings and flight.
So just look out for Vybz Kartel. As me said, the super mansion, the hangar for the plane, and the whole of supercars. Yeah, look out for that because he might foreshadow them something. So me I go forward back to that song in our intro in the near future and tell you say, yo, you see it, the man not tell you say I buy a jet man. Yes, so the man not tell you, but you know I hear, Yo, here what me like with them song, bro. Them song, as me say, I don't know bad man song, I don't know gunman song, but here what, the man a flex him powers in the industry where him can say some things and no boy, no girl can't run out and go on like they want to size up. You remember like one day when him buy the G-Wagon and you see Bean Man run go get one G-Wagon too? Yeah, but what happened to the Range Rovers and the Rolls Royce and them something there? Only one carrier can size up with it. So when the man said them something here, nobody not really size up. When him throw him shades them, the best you can do is getting your feelings going on his studio, but him not answer you. You see me? That's why I'm telling you say, I love them kind of song. Yeah. And one more thing I notice before I end the video. You see the brother what did forward out and I say, yo, Vybz Kartel hype. And him a do it sneakingly. You know say other brother they inspire the song. Yeah, the song I write just for the brother there and the music video. Cause I notice I see Trabas in the music video around the time there. The youth did forward out and say that, around the same time the Vybz Kartel and Trabas them did do the skit in the house and something. So at the music video this when him and Trabas did link up and the whole girl them in the yard and something. Yeah man, but at the youth forward out and I say Vybz Kartel hype and before him go to prison. Remember, when them this say Vybz Kartel, yo, can't see. You know see your friend Vybz Kartel run out of lyrics and him say lyrically inclined. Yeah man, so anything what the streets I say, Vybz Kartel always do this, him always answer you in our song. All the while, just watch what the streets I say. If him feel like something we can build a song off of it, yeah, he might use what you say and build a song off of it, bro. That's what I notice with the song. You see me? But people, we have reached the end and you know how it go. If you're new to the channel, I want to know if you subscribe and like up the video. And also you can check out other content because me not just break down music videos and them thing there. A reason, notice a reason more than how me break down the lyrics them are probably 50-50. Yeah, so if you're new to the channel, you can at least watch 2 of my last video them still fresh. Them no reach a day or 2 yet, so you can go watch them there if you're new to the channel and get familiar with my content. I'm like a faceless content creator. Me not just vlog, me do anything when I feel like on the channel, you see me? Yeah man, and my new channel, the link I go also there in the description. The name This Is Real Talk. You can go over there. One brother say him know how to make Vybz Kartel win the next Grammy. You see me? He must say yo, him fi build up a collection of all of him culture song them and submit it as reggae. So you can go over my new channel, This Is Real Talk, and watch that or watch the last video I do. If you just get familiar, I think YouTube never pushed the last video I do yesterday about MC Nuffy and him wrong for forward out. I see him apologize now, but you can go listen how I deal with the video there. Cause YouTube never pushed the video there, you see me? Yeah, so you see the red arrow point to the video there. That's the video yesterday with MC Nuffy. And the link to my new channel, I go collab with my new channel. So you can just click on it right under the video there and subscribe and listen to it. You see me? Yeah man, and if you want to support the channel, chop a super thanks in the comment section. Bro, at 32 days me a vlog without I get ads and I get super thanks, so me appreciate every super thanks right now. You see me? Yeah, cause 32 days me did a vlog without being monetized. So yeah man, so show out the super thanks them and the dog food in the PayPal. You see me? Yeah man, but I'm DJ DreadBeard signing out.
DJ DreadBeard. Subscribe now.